Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us.
Hi, my name is Shatakshi. I recently completed the Salesforce Certified Business Analyst certification. How I prepared for the exam was, first and foremost, I used all the material that Salesforce itself had provided, all the modules, all their trails. When you go to book the exam or even read information about it, Salesforce tells you that, there are these modules within that trailhead website that you can follow and kind of just understand how not only the exam works, how it's structured, but also like there are modules just to prepare material to take the exam. I felt like that was really instrumental in my success for clearing this exam. Additionally, I also took practice exams from Focus on Force. Their exams are really good, and you also get feedback on where you went wrong in the questions and also detailed explanations. I felt like that was also very helpful. Taking practice exams is important, and I took quite a few before I sat for the exam. How difficult it is to clear the exam, I would say about medium difficulty. It is important to have a little bit of experience before you sit for the exam, because I felt like the exam was kind of structured around practical implementations of what you probably would have done in your work or while you're an analyst on a project. So they do kind of touch upon those kind of topics and aspects, in terms of stakeholder management or requirements gathering, or training a user story, for example. So I feel like I would say a medium difficulty, but I don't think anything is very hard or this exam is not to pass. I think if you put in the time and the dedication and the work, you definitely will clear it. I 100% endorse that it is. I think it will give you a really good jump in any stage of your career, or even if you are trying to pivot out of whichever industry you currently are in. I think it really teaches you about the real life scenarios of how do you act as a critical component within a project. And I think project management is a very transferable skill. So it's important to understand and know these things, and of course how to use Salesforce as a tool to kind of solve business problems. In my opinion, there are a lot, of course. Once you do the business analyst certification, you can look to be a Salesforce business analyst, and I think getting that hands-on experience while using the tool or while using Salesforce to help solve business problems is really a good skill to have. And you can always create your path of growth. And of course, being after an analyst, you can look into being a consultant or a technical architect, or just map out that path that you want or you're interested in, or what you think your skill sets would be. 100%, first and foremost, go to Salesforce, go to the trails, and do the modules they have recommended, because nothing better than Salesforce itself telling you that what is kind of in their exam, what they're looking for, and it's very detailed. It explains it really well. Just you need a little bit of hard work, consistency, and you're definitely going to clear it. Another good part about that trailhead platform is that you can just go inside a dev org, or like a playground, and just play around in a safe, controlled environment and just test out all the features Salesforce has, and just see the immense capabilities that tool has that they offer. So getting a bit of that practical experience, as well as going through the material Salesforce has and doing a bit of practice exams, I think will definitely get you across the finish line. And I wish you all the best, and I hope you also succeed in whatever goals and dreams you have planned for.
For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.